Alright, we're going to be working on the OBS again today, and I need to put bump stops back. We haven't put bump stops in since we lowered the rear end, so I'm going to take my calipers, I'm going to get up under the bottom, and I'm going to measure the bolt holes. I've got an idea that I can 3D print some bump stops out of a rubber 3D printing filament. We're going to also be putting on some sport mirrors on the OBS. We're going to take these big old dog ear mirrors off. I'm going to put the little 454 style mirrors on there and give it a little bit of a cleaner look. We're going to be doing all of that today. Alright, I'm going to be measuring this hole right here and this hole right here to see how far they are apart. I'm going to utilize the existing factory holes where I removed the factory bump stops from, and I'll see if I can 3D print me something that will work. Alright, that looks roughly centered, and that is 113 millimeters. So I'm going to 3D print me a bump stop that's got bolt holes in it that's 113 millimeters across. Alright, so here are the new bump stops that we just got off the printer, and I printed them with not a lot of infill so that they would have some give to them, and as you can see I can mash them down. That's about as far as I can go with it, and I don't know if these will work very well or how long they'll work, but I wanted to try this. I like utilizing my 3D printer anytime I can, and I believe this will work. If this don't work, if this is not stiff enough, I can put more infill, more rubber inside this right here, the button that's mashing, and make it as stiff as I want to make it. All right. Got a washer. And a nut. Yep, it does. Alright, that's that. I believe that'll be perfectly fine. I'll keep you updated if it don't hold up. Gotta get it off of that window. Alright, that's gonna be a little tricky to not drop those nuts. It's got 3, looks like they're 10 millimeters. Hold it right there. Alright, got the mirrors in, bump stops done, so we got a little more progress on the old body style Chevy pickup. I really like the clean look of these sport mirrors. They're just minimalist and they look good. I'm sure Seth will have to adjust. I know this one looks like it's down. But yeah, boy, that looks better than a big old dog ear. Boy, that looks better than big old dog ear mirrors. Truck's gonna be nice. We're gonna try to paint it starting in spring. It'll take me a while. This truck needs a lot of attention to the paint. All this clear coat, all this white, all the red you see under the white, all of that's got to come off. So it's got some body work to be done on it, but it's a pretty straight truck. The body work shouldn't be that big a deal. Just getting all of that off is going to be the big deal. Well guys, that's going to be a wrap on this video. I appreciate y'all stopping by and watching today. Y'all come back next time, we'll see what we got going in. Yeah.